In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the desktop tools within Note to bring a picture from anywhere on your computer into a Note lesson. So I've started out, I'm in Note, and I'm going to click on the monitor icon. If I hover over it, it says desktop. When I click on it, notice it's going to minimize Note. I still see my toolbar for it, but whatever is on my desktop, that's what I'm going to see. So I've pulled up a map of Georgia that I want to use in my Note lesson. Now I want to take a snapshot of this map and put it into the lesson. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my Note tools. I'm going to go to the hammer and the wrench, click on it, and then I'm going to find the icon with the scissors. That's going to give me the option to do a screenshot. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to open different choices over here on the right for me. I can take a full screen, I can take part of the screen in a rectangular shape, or I can do a crazy shape. I'm going to do a rectangle, so I'm going to click that option. I'm going to go to the top of my map, and I'm literally just going to click and drag at the same time to highlight the area that I want to take a picture of. When I release my mouse, I'm then going to click this check mark, and it's now going to take that map and put it in my Note lesson. So here I have my map. I can drag it over to the center. I can click on any of these corners and enlarge the map so it's easier to see on my slide. You may want to lock that map to your background. Remember, that is the 3 lines on the menu choices, and then click lock.